So I just want to say welcome, a big welcome, welcome, welcome to all my new subscribers. I have had so many new subscribers in the past couple months, um, and I haven't welcomed you guys, and for that, I just want to say I'm sorry. So I took the time out today to just welcome you guys and just let you know that I appreciate all of you for tuning in and stopping by and coming over to my channel. Okay, I just want to say thank you. I really do appreciate you. And to all my old subscribers, I I still love and appreciate you. Okay, so don't feel left out. Um, um, I'm just gonna introduce myself to those who are new and don't really know me. So my name is Kareen. I am Jamaican by birth, but I live here in Tampa, Florida. And some of you can't really tell I'm Jamaican by my accent. I can't hide it even if you pay me. So yeah, um, I'm from Jamaica. I'm from parish in Jamaica called Hanover. It's one of the smallest parish in Jamaica. And from a small district called Cove, Industry Cove or Cousins Cove, whichever one they call it. Yeah. And yeah, that's basically a little rundown of me and where I'm from. And just the purpose of this video today is just to say thank you to all you guys. And I'm having a little giveaway because one of my video is at 10,000 views. Yes, 10,000, 10,000 views. Like, oh my god. Like, oh my god. 10,000 views. And another one is at 8,000, on the way to 10,000. So I'm just like, hey, yeah, I'm over the moon. I'm so happy, I'm so ecstatic, I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful. And yes, gratitude is a must. Gratitude is a must. I'm grateful, I'm thankful for all my 259 subscribers. And I'm not gonna wait until my channel reach 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, even a million. Because if anything is possible before I come and say thank you, I'm grateful and whatever. I'm saying it now because not because I'm not there yet mean I can't say thank you. I'm saying it now. No, even though I'm small, I'm a small channel, I'm saying thank you because I'm happy and I'm grateful and I am blessed and highly favored. Alright, so I'm just gonna have a little giveaway today. Anybody can win, whether a male or female, it don't matter. Because even if you're a male, you must have a female in your life that you can give this purse to. So I'm going to give away this purse. You know, so you can see the inside. It's big enough to hold stuff. Because we carry a lot of stuff around, so there's a lot of room in there for stuff. And also has a pocket on the side right there. And yeah, it goes down like this. And this is what the front looks like. And stand up so I can show you. Oh, my goodness. Show you what it looks like. It can be worn as a crossbody purse and can also be carried on your shoulder like a shoulder purse. So you can carry it either way. I think it's more sexy like this when you're going out on a date night, going out with your girls, or you know, just going out by yourself, or anytime you want to wear it, you can wear it. It's fine. But I think it's a nice little cute purse. It has a snake kind of skin going on in the back and in the front here. So yeah, I think it's cute. And also, I'm giving away this beautiful red lipstick because every girl needs a red lipstick in their life. So I'm giving away this red lipstick. It's awesome for a date night or a girls night out, or just going out by yourself or whatever, girl. You can rock it. And this is from my lipstick line, Island Gal. It has my logo on it, so when you get it you will see. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna give away. And to win these two things, all you gotta do is just tell me when I started my YouTube channel and the first video that I ever posted on this channel. That's simple. It is that simple. The first person to tell me will be the first person to win. Okay? So, don't matter where you live in the world, just send me your address and I will ship it to you. So just comment the answer to the question, your Instagram handle, or if you don't have one, Facebook or your email or whatever you have, info you have that I can contact you, and I will contact you and I will get your gift to you. Okay? So that's all for this video today. And again, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. My old subscribers, I appreciate you guys. Same way for watching my videos and commenting and sharing and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna be doing more on my channel. I have been so busy. Work has been crazy, and yeah, just everything has been so busy. But I'm gonna make time, because you have to put time in to get results out of anything that you're doing. So I'm gonna put time in and do more content, and yeah, show up for you guys. So on that note, I just wanna say, stay safe, be kind, and be good to everyone. And just know that the sky is the limit, and don't let anybody steal your joy. Don't let nobody tell you you can't achieve nothing, because anything in this life is possible. Just stay focused. Don't be a locust. Why do I say locust? Stop that. Just be safe, okay? And thank you. Bye.